Hi, my name is Sarah Pease, and I am a PhD researcher of harmful algae. And today I'm going to be giving you a brief introduction to my lesson plan, Tiny Killers, Monitoring Harmful Algae. This is a lesson plan that is designed for high school biology, marine biology, and environmental science classes. I hope you enjoy. In this lesson plan, we'll start by covering some essential definitions of harmful algae and phytoplankton, and even talk about some of our local harmful algae species in the Chesapeake Bay. Then we'll follow that with a bioaccumulation demonstration in the classroom. For the bioaccumulation demo, essentially you're going to have a bowl full of phytoplankton, which is a mixture of sugar and beans in this case. And here our sugar represents the non-harmful phytoplankton, and the beans represent the toxin-producing harmful algae. Now, we're going to use some volunteers from our classroom, and we can have one person be our scientist who's going to take a grab sample of the water. So we're just going to take a little bit. And then we're going to have another person be a filter feeding shellfish. And the filter feeding shellfish is going to feed a couple times throughout the day on the phytoplankton, making sure to not lose anything that's accumulating in the sieve. And then what we can do is we can do a quick comparison and just see how much toxic algae was found in the water sample, only one, versus in the shellfish, which accumulated about 7 here. This demonstration gives us a great way to segue into talking about biomagnification and human health impacts, because we can start to talk about if a human were to consume a whole plate full of shellfish that had all bioaccumulated a number of toxic algae. And then we can start to talk about how we monitor for toxic algae in the field. Do we collect shellfish samples? Do we collect water samples? Which ones of these might be better ways to monitor? In the next classroom activity, your students will be given a data set and be broken into small groups to design a harmful algae monitoring program for uninhabitable bay. This worksheet activity will give your class a great platform to start a discussion about how seafood safety is managed in our state. This activity will also give you the opportunity to talk about interannual variation, climate change, and regulatory limits. To end the lesson, I've added in some of the advancements in harmful algae monitoring for you to look over and discuss with your students. I hope that you enjoy this lesson plan as much as I do. Thank you.